Hello and welcome to today's fast video, which is going to be packed because it's NVIDIA Day, so I will be covering all the real assets, equities, and talk as well Bitcoin. So make sure to start by reviewing this daily S&P 500 chart. What's notable? Rising volume. Where did the ascent stop? At the lows of December FOMC. Yes, that's the most prominent red candle on the left part of this chart, and thus far this is still where prices had been rejected. Note as well what the market breadth indicators are doing, and specifically that with the percentage of stocks trading above the 200-day moving average, the most long-term one, we are peaking back above 50. More details follow for clients. Here we go with NVIDIA chart. This is going to be the decision maker today, with repercussions for the whole tech, touching all the stocks from ASML, KLIC, LAVU, moving on to Dow, and of course AVGO. So this is the chart, and I will be linking as well to Saturday's extensive weekend video where I had talked the importance of seeing this as a bull flag. Thus far, we are getting that kind of a positioning. And with NVIDIA earnings, this is going to be about how to say it very fast. This is going to be about weighing the future prospects, meaning assessing the importance of guidance, kind of temporary solution for now with a special array offer for Chinese market, and Mideast powerhouses, the Gulf dynasties, ready to take basically a lot of state-of-the-art chips. So the forward guidance is going to be good. It's going to be good. However, forget not that at the start of the year we got DeepSeeked, and that means that probably the current results and assessing the momentary picture is not going to be all that great. I have my pick, and I will be sharing it with premium clients where I see the resolution going when it comes to earnings reaction, whether the buyers or the sellers will prevail. Take a look at it as a long-term chart and examine where those moving averages are, whether we are seeing what kind of a technical pattern are we seeing, and what are the fundamental factors that I just laid out for the market as such. Examine as well various semiconductor indices, whether we are not seeing any clues as regards NVIDIA going forward. You can as well look at the tech to S&P 500 ratio, which is kind of starting to trend higher, isn't it so? Will it take S&P 500 alongside, or have we seen basically the cautious end of position when it comes to the two before NVIDIA earnings? Another ratio that I'm looking at is semiconductors to tech, and this is in way more modest phase of turning up, and I cannot with clear conscience call it a bull flag really, but some signs, some technical signs when it comes to the positioning of various moving averages is there. Here we go with the sector perspective, and that one is clearly pointing, and let me say just 3 words: tech, discretionaries, industrials. Note that I have said industrials and I did not say financials, because I have only 3 words limit. But that's another one worth looking at, but the first 3 ones point a very nice upturn, which clients had been benefiting of, having called for a bullish gap. We see markets love the off phase of the tariff game. So much to say as regards the European Union, and here we go with S&P 500 in risk on mode as predicted, which brought clients some 150 points on purely intraday basis yesterday in Nasdaq. Yields picture. Nice encouragement in the form of yields retreating, yields on the long end. Remember that we are as well getting Fed minutes. That will be as well very important. US dollar stabilizing after the troubling undershoot of 100, falling out of the 100 to 101 zone. Here we go, trying to build a base, and it's constructive. Bitcoin. Ever since 85,000 stabilization and moving up in spurts for consolidations, very nice building of the basically staircase. We are at 110 already, basing, and I'm not that worried about strategy underperformance. That is the black line on this chart. So much for cryptos, and where I had been positioning you, talking bullishly ever since that time of 85,000, and timing as well, if you know the Bitcoin strategy reserve announcement and the flowing flush, first spike, and before that slide, which I have been giving you on this YouTube channel. Gold and silver. Is it a reversal? Or what do you think that I set the trading signals clients yesterday when we were at those lows? Yeah, gold and silver, and they are kind of getting ready for more than 5 minutes. Oil is going sideways, however there is clear a refusal to go lower, and oil stocks are characteristically turning a little bit up. So what could that mean in totality? Trading signals, it's your number one choice on the join page. Make sure to combine it with quality intraday analytics via the stock market channel.